everybody, Greg here. Welcome to day 7, man, as we continue in the book of James. We're having a blast. Today we're going to look at the blue box. We're looking at the blue box because James kind of goes from concept to concept, from topic to topic. And these verses right here, 9, 10, and 11, talk about two kinds of glory, as I would call it. It says, here we go, let the lowly brother glory in his exaltation, but the rich in his humiliation, because as a flower of the field he will pass away. For no sooner has the sun risen with a burning heat, and it withers the grass, its flower falls, and its beautiful appearance perishes. So shall the rich man also fade away in his pursuits. Now, if you can tell, I put two different words there, righteous and arrogant. I believe there's a difference between the righteous rich and the arrogant rich. And he's really kind of talking to, in my estimation, both of them here. Because he tells the rich to glory in their humiliation. I'm thinking that really only the righteous rich would understand that in its full context. The arrogant rich would have a little pushback. Why would I glory in my humiliation? But that's what James says. So I believe when you are righteously rich, and that means you do well with your money and you serve others, you understand that you're just a flower that'll pass away just like those that are poor in this world. So here in my book, I just kind of had a little bit of fun again. Remember, we're talking about how to have fun with God's Word. And I put rich, poor, exaltation, humiliation, and how the rich need to glory in the blue box and the poor get to glory in the pink box. And then I just used all my colors and called it double glory. And then I says, both the rich and the poor get to glory, but not so the arrogant rich. The righteous rich understand every good and perfect gift comes from above. Yeah, they understand to whom much is given, much is required. So there's some thoughts on James again, guys. So trust you're having a good day. I'm in my Starbucks having a good time, and I love it. God bless you.